Here's today's Remy Quick Tech Tip, TA-039. I have another tech tip related to Jaguar, specifically the XJ6 and the XJS. Model years 1988 to 1992. This time we want to discuss the symptom of a high RPM belt noise, which could be caused by an over-tensioned belt. Now the solution is different depending upon the model. For the XJ6 model, make sure the belt tension is set to 115 pounds for a used belt and 138 pounds for a new belt. For the XJS model, make sure that belt tension is set to 70 pounds for a used belt and 79 pounds for a new belt. That's the Remy Quick Tech Tip, and it's another reason why your next starter alternator should be a Remy.